Today we will discuss the preparation of method of preparation of phenols. Phenols are also known as carbolic acid. It is aromatic alcohol. First preparation from benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the benzene sulfonic acid reacts with alkali and the sodium hydroxide gives sodium benzene sulfonate. Then sodium benzene sulfonate again react with alkali NaOH at 573 to 623 Kelvin. It gives sodium phenoxide. On acidification it gives phenol. Means sodium phenoxides react with acid to give phenol. Second method from diazonium salt. This is the diazonium salt, benzene diazonium salt. In this, the aqueous solution of benzene diazonium salt on warming means इसको means थोड़ा हल्का जिससे गर्म करते हैं on warming gives phenol. This is a simple reaction in which diazonium salt reacts with water, gives phenol. Third is the from Grignard reagent. Third method from Grignard reagent. This is the phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide, when oxygen is bubbled through the ethanol solution. Ethanol solution means in the presence of dry ether, it gives phenyl oxy magnesium bromide. On hydrolysis, it gives phenol. And the next method is by decarboxylation of sodium salt of salicylic acid. Decarboxylation, D means remove, carbo means carbon. So sodium, we take sodium salicylate. This is a sodium salicylate. If we write here H, this is a salicylic acid. When we write Na, so this is a sodium salicylate reacts with NaOH and CO. This solution is called soda lime, NaOH plus CO. On heating, it gives sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Then on acidification means reaction with HCl, it gives phenol. Commercial preparation of phenols. First is from chlorobenzene. Commercially, we prepared phenol by these methods. First is from chlorobenzene. This method is also known as Dawes process. In this method, phenol is manufactured from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is heated 10% aqueous solution of NaOH in the presence of copper salt at 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure. Then sodium phenoxide is obtained. Sodium phenoxide. This solution is then treated with HCl, give phenol. Next preparation from cumene. When benzene reacts with propene, gives cumene. Cumene ring CH3 CH3. So cumene is oxidized in the presence of air. Then cumene hydroperoxide will be formed. On hydrolysis, it gives phenol. And third method from chlorobenzene. This is a chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene is heated with steam. Steam is passed on chlorobenzene in the presence of silica, SiO2, act as catalyst at 800 Kelvin. It gives phenol.